Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Bundoran Garden Dining Set. In this set we'll find a dining table and dining chairs to match. This range features a very cool and modern design that would complement any garden, patio, balcony or conservatory. The dining table is a 6-seater measuring at 200 centimeters in length and 100 centimeters in width. Again, we can see the very slim and modern design here. The detailed acacia wood top is accented by an aluminium metal base. Aluminium and acacia wood are both known for being durable and very low maintenance. This table is fixed, meaning that it does not extend. The dining chair again reflects on the slimline design. We have a very simple aluminium metal frame, wooden accent detail on the handles and a very easy maintenance light grey fabric seat. The Bundoran Range also features a lounger version. Shop the complete Bundoran Range by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.